Hello everyone, coming at you from Club Wyndham Smoky Mountains, Sevierville, Tennessee, from the 4th floor of room or building number 14 here at Club Wyndham. So we're going to do a walkthrough of the room in case you are ever interested in checking out or staying at Club Wyndham Resort. This will give you an idea of what this resort has to offer. Here we go. Welcome to our room. Nora's over there making breakfast right now. That little kitchen over there.
Yours is on the table.
Okay. And over here, television with my breakfast waiting there for me. Little dining room nook, table nook, whatever you want to call it, little space there with a small table where we're set up. Full-size sofa, which I'm sure stretches out into a bed. Coffee table. Little utility closet. Actually, it's a coat closet as well. That's what I'm using it for anyway. That room there is the next apartment over. If this was the part of a two-bedroom, they could have opened up this door, make this include this in another room. But this is a one-bedroom. Our mini washer dryer, which is never big enough.
I like the fact they have a mini fridge in this one.
Yeah, you have an apartment-sized fridge instead of a full-size fridge here. Normally they got full-size fridges and full-size ranges. They got minis here. Of course, microwave, dishwasher, which we never use. Little coffee pot, which we're using for hot water. We don't do coffee.
Ew. Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Went to Buc-ee's, picked up some jellies, which is about the only place you can buy those type of jellies. But she mainly uses those to cook with.
Yep. I think the berry is going to be great on a ham. Apple maple is great on pork.
So, cooking supplies basically.
They're also great on biscuits and stuff.
So that room there is just a bathroom, just a typical bathroom, nothing special in there. Our bedroom, nothing special about the bedroom. It does have a TV, nightstand, a dresser, another coat closet. Our view from the room, basically just the walkway between the apartments. Nice, beautiful day out there, by the way. Almost blue, crystal blue skies. And typical bathroom, nothing special here. This is just a one bedroom, so we don't get like a bathroom suite, but that's alright, we don't need that. Typical stuff for a bathroom. Our caddy that we keep all of our supplies in. You gotta have one of these if you do a lot of traveling. We use that caddy a lot.
Even though the resorts provide the shampoos, soaps, and stuff now.
Yeah, that's true.
Conditioners, even hand soap and lotion.
Yeah, but that's one thing is Club Wyndham started offering these bottles here for so you don't have to buy your own supplies. That's convenient. And they also include body wash or body lotion and hand soap. So that's relatively new. I think a lot of resorts are doing that these days, so a lot of the hotels. So that's really about it. Like I said, this is just a one bedroom, not a whole lot to see here. Did pick up a couple of cushions. They were on sale because it was after Halloween. A little bat.
Do you think you'll eat more than one biscuit?
Nah, I might eat two.
Okay, I've got them set.
So that is it on our accommodations.
You didn't bring my mouse, did you?
No, I sure didn't.
It's been tired.
Gotta go get belts because we both forgot our belts. Gotta find a T-Mobile store because I need a new case for my Pixel, my traveling phone I use for most of my recordings. This video is being recorded on this Insta360 that I picked up a few months ago. But we will be taking in the sights here very soon. I want to show you guys the accommodations at Club Wyndham Smoky Mountains here in Sevierville, Tennessee. If you are ever interested in staying at one of these resorts, be it as a owner or as a paying customer. And yes, they will try to sell you the package if you aren't an owner. They try to sell you a package even if you are an owner. But that's just how timeshare programs work. We've been doing this for a long time, either with Club Wyndham or with Disney, so we're quite familiar with the timeshare mumbo jumbo, and we're satisfied with what we have. So hope you find this video informational. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and we will see you on the next video.